This video will show you how to enable the split view in Samsung cell phone. Okay, so I have the Samsung A53, but it should work for all the Samsung phone. So the first thing you need to do is open at least one of the app, and then you press the task icon at the bottom. Open that, you will see all the list that opened, all the apps that opened in your cell phone. Okay, so then you press the top icon of the apps. When you press it, it will show your open in split view option here. You can press that. Remember, not all the apps has this function. For example, the Candy Crush, if you press that, you don't have the list of the open in split view. Okay, so let's go back to YouTube and open in split screen view. After that, it will, at the bottom, it will give all the list that can be open in split view. Okay, so in this case, I will open a game. So if you press the middle of that, you hold it, press and hold it, you can adjust the window size of the apps, two apps. Okay, so as I found out, this one is a pretty good option for listen to the YouTube music during you do another work. Okay, for example, you can play game and at the same time you can listen to the YouTube music. Okay, so if you want to close that, you can just click the home button, or when you try to get it back, you just press the task button again. You can see the first one is the split screen view. You can press that and get it back. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day.